You may have seen my video on the requirements to be a judge or justice in West Virginia. In this video, I'll talk about the requirements to practice law in our state, and it's not as simple as just going to law school. The West Virginia Constitution gives the authority to the Supreme Court of Appeals to set the qualifications for lawyers. Whether you are a recent law school graduate or a lawyer practicing in another state for years, you start by submitting an application to the West Virginia Board of Law Examiners. Every applicant is reviewed, a background check conducted, and a representative of the Board of Law Examiners Character Committee sits down with the applicant for a one-on-one interview. In 2019, for example, 207 applicants were interviewed. If you are a recent law school graduate, you also have to take and pass the Uniform Bar Exam. This is a rigorous test administered over 2 full days, twice a year. The bar exam is a stressful time for any new lawyer because it not only tests what law students learn over 3 years of law school, but also helps ensure the lawyer has the knowledge and skills necessary to competently advise and represent his or her clients. West Virginia is one of a number of states throughout the country that uses the Uniform Bar Exam. It's the same test administered on the same day in about 36 states. You may run into a lawyer in West Virginia who's been practicing for a number of years, and they talk about not having to take the bar exam here. If you graduated from the West Virginia University College of Law prior to July of 1988, you had what was called diploma privileges and were exempt from having to take the bar exam in West Virginia to be admitted to the practice of law here. That's no longer the case, and every new lawyer must now take the bar exam. After you pass the bar, clear a background check, and complete your character committee interview, the last step occurs here in the Supreme Court chamber in Charleston. Each applicant for admissions to the practice of law has someone that is already admitted to practice law in our state make a motion to the Supreme Court justices to approve the person's admission to the bar. Then each lawyer takes an oath pledging to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the state of West Virginia. It's a special time where family and friends come to support and celebrate a very special day. Thank you for watching, and justice for all.